Your company is dedicated to efficiently manage documents in a digital environment. Your demands and expectations are high. Fellow Consulting introduced the Fellow Extraction² plugin to accurately extract data from your documents, focusing on the data of the header fields of your documents, such as invoices. But there's more to efficiently manage documents in a digital environment. For instance, imagine an invoice where you have a table full of the purchase order details, which are highly relevant for your booking process. In order for you to create table extraction in Ephesoft, you have to manually configure the batch class. So let's dive into this. You go to one of the document types and click on Tables. If I want to have the table extraction for my German supplier Banana, I have to create a new table in document type invoice.de and define every column that appears in that type of document. Then, it's just a matter of creating and adapting extraction rules with the regular expressions. Unfortunately, this process has to be done for every document type, for every table, that means supplier, and for every variation of table. Now imagine doing this process for all of your suppliers and all of their invoice/tables variations. It would kill your mood, right? That's why we are presenting for you today our newest plugin based on artificial intelligence called Table Extraction² plugin. But why is it better even if Ephesoft has the option to adapt the batch class for table extraction as well? The reason is very simple. We introduce a cloud-based repository solution so you can forget about spending time and IT resources adapting and configuring the batch class for every single table. The user application is so easy that anyone can literally do it. How does it work? As the name already reveals, it's just a plugin that has to be installed in the Ephesoft software. One time installed, you can start training the system by just uploading, validating, and exporting documents. When a document starts the Ephesoft engine process, it arrives to the extraction module, and the table is analyzed by artificial intelligence-based image recognition, and with self-developed complex algorithms, the data is accurately extracted. All extracted data is available to Ephesoft. If some data from a column is missing, the end user corrects it on the validation window, and the system learns and is trained just by one-time human help. Do you see how much time and work you can save up? Everything will be smoothly processed and every field in the table is correctly extracted. The system learns from the entries of all customers using the plugin. Imagine repeating this process over and over again across the customer base and filling the table extraction repository with more and more data. Nearly 100% accurate extraction is achieved. Don't you think? You can forget about configuring the Ephesoft engine for many months. With the Table Extraction² plugin, you can start from day one. Let us support you in getting the full potential out of your business.